wabarakatuh. Okay, now we are on module 6, and like previous week we have a tutorial of GNU Linux. So this week I will explain to you about GNU Linux too. In this module we have 3 parts: login, backup, and scheduling. First of all, we will do the login part. Okay, logging. In this task, we have to use the command to show the user activities, the apps, the commands, and etc. in terminal, and the hint is to use bash scripting. So first of all, we open our GNU Linux. We open root terminal, enter the password. Okay, so okay. I'm sorry for the trouble. How to see who log into your computer? You can use the last command. See, this is the username and this is the status. Root, never logged in, then never logged in, like that. So we have so many users here, and we know that they never logged in. So next we want to see who the last person logged into this computer. We type last. This is the last person list who ever entered this machine. Root, Debian, reboot, Debian, and reboot. This is the username and activity also, and it is more complex than last log, because in last command we get the time, the date, and what they do and how long they do it, like that. So this is more complex and more complete than the last log. Now we want to know what applications that ever been accessed by the users that ever entered this machine. Of course, we can use ls strip s strip l. Okay, this is what the username who use it, and this is what they do. Application and files and folders also. This is the list what they accessed. So we can go based on this command. And to know that how long users access the folder and file, we can use ls strip s. This is a list full of the file and folders, and this is the time. Okay. The time, minutes and seconds they access it. And if we want to know what folder that can access by the users, we can use ls strip f. Well, this is a list of folder that you can access. Everything is here, as you can access, and you have a permission. And if you want to know what are commands that users have been put in this terminal, we can type cat slice etc slice pas sponsored. Okay, this is the command, the list of commands, so many list of command that users put in this terminal as soup. Okay, this is the username and this is what I do, the command. Okay, that's all. So we move to this section, backup. Learn about file management in Linux, like making your file, making your directory, copying file into specific directory, deleting file, deleting directory. So we will learn these commands and put it into one into one bash script. So, okay, we open our terminal. Okay, and before I'm sorry that I've been using apt get after remove. It means that uh, many programs have been deleted from this machine, and I kind of regret it, but it's okay. However, life must go on. So, first of all is we make a bash script file. Now directory where we put the bash script file. Okay, and then this is the blank space, and we can use it to type the command bash script to make a new directory. We can use command mkdir and our directory. When if you want to, okay, no, just the name, new folder. Sorry, new folder like this. And then if you want to make a file, in this tutorial I will make txt file which contain the word the sentence is this is a new txt file. Don't forget to use these quote marks, and then modern symbol and the name of the file. Example is new text.txt like this. Okay. So if you want to make a copy of this file, we use cp min strip a slash home slash this is where the original file was. New text.txt, and this is where we want to we want to put the copy file. The only thing is between new folder. Sorry. Means copying this text to this text. And then if you want to delete, we can use rm, and then the name of the file we want to delete. Example, we want to delete file k lalala.txt fm lalala at m strip e lalala.txt. Strip e means that there will be a prompt text to make sure that whether you really want to delete it or not. So it is like a confirmation text. And then if you want to delete a folder or directory, we use rm there, remove directory, and the name of the folder. Okay, example, the name of we want to delete what? Hello, maybe? We want to delete hello. Hello. Like this. Okay. Control X. Yes. Yes. And as usual, make it executable. chmod chmod plus x number 5 no file.sh and run it by /name new file.sh. Okay, this is what I told before. Strip e means that it will be a prompt asking that you will really delete this file or not, and you just like yes. Why for the answer for yes? It means that you've deleted. So you want to check whether this is true or not. So we check if there is a folder named new folder in this home. Now this is a new folder, and we want to see if there is want to see if this text is exists or not. Mid text. No. Sorry. So mid text. Open it. By the way, I don't have a text editor, so I use OpenOffice.org to open it. It's taking a long time, but you know, have to do something. Okay, this is a new txt file, like what we wrote before, and then is it the way copying this file to this new folder. Okay, I'm just leave new folder. Okay, have been copied, and then removing lalala.txt. There's no lalala.txt. So remove their hello. Okay, directory hello is there is not existed. Okay, it means that we are succeeding. Congratulations, then we will move to the next part.
In this section, we will try to make use a backup application using tar and rsync. And what is tar and rsync? Okay, I will explain it to you. The difference between tar and rsync. Rsync is the advantage is you will copy only the files which have changed. So if you made a backup files and you change the original folders, the original files, it will be copied, it will be transferred to just the change one. But if you use tar is an archive utility. You could conceivably create tar file for the entire, but you don't want to transfer it all each time. This is because if you use tar and you made a change in the original file or folder, it will transfer all of the folder each time, so you would not save the space like that. So let's use, okay, how. First we open our terminal. Don't forget to enter it as super user root. Okay, the command for tar is simply just type, okay, first you have to make a bash script, nano, the directory of this bash script you want to put, example is try backup .sh. So this is the blank space. The command for tar is tar strip cdf space the directory of file you want to backup. In here, example, you want to put your backup files in my folders, so the directory is desktop slice my slice, that's okay. This is the name of the file, backups.tar. Don't forget the extension space, and then the directory you want to backup. Okay. Okay, in this example we want to backup this directory, this folder. So you will type enter. And then we use our sync strip axvr. Okay, difference between rsync and tar is the first directory is the folder you want to backup, not the folder you put the backup file. Simply you want to backup this new file, and you want to put the backup files, backup folders in desktop meh, like this. Okay, and then exit. Don't forget to save it, and then do chmod +X. It will make your bash script to be executable. So run it. Okay, it means that you've succeeded in doing it. check because just to make sure. Okay, the difference is this is the product, the output of rsync, and this is the output of tar. In tar we use the archive, so you have to open it first before you see the backup. So this is, and difference is this, it directly make it into a folder. So we would like to do the next assignment is about scheduling, how to show the text when you have a birthday. So first you open a terminal, root terminal or a super user, enter the password. Okay, first you have to make a bash script using nano, and then the file, the directory of the file, home slash devina slash the name. Example is yuhu.sh. Is the blank space, and we would like to make a application Zenity. You have to install it first. Okay, type this script and you write your greetings, happy birthday, or other things. Okay, because this is my birthday, I would like to make it for me. Okay, save it. Don't forget to chmod to make it executable. If you want to see whether it is can be run or not, just run it already, like this. Happy birthday, Devina, like that. It's pretty easy, of course, but we want to prompt it when I have a birthday. So we use cron tab. Cron tab strip e mean to edit, and on scroll down, and on the last line you write 00000 is for the first zero is for the minute and hour, and the date, month, and yeah, the month, it means August the 3rd. And then year, because I want to prompt every year, I put star sign, and then the directory of the best script we've already made. Okay, like this, and then just exit. Don't forget to save it. Okay, so this prompt will show where I have a birthday on August the 3rd. So I can't run it now because it's still May the 6th. But we just can check how it will appear. So it will greet user every time you log in. How? Just open your machine and first make a bash script using nano, and the directory of the file you want to save the bash script. Example is welcome.sh. Okay, in the blank space we use Zenity, double strip info, double strip text, and quote mark, and you just type whatever you want. Example is welcome back user. Don't forget the dollar mark and the capital user. Save it and chmod plus x, chmod plus x, then the bash script name. Okay, we want to check using terminal. Run it. Okay, with dot slash the name of the file. Ta-da! Okay, it succeeds using bash script. We would like to move to where cron tab strip E to edit it, and this is the birthday part. Just delete it. And the last line, type attribute and the directory of the file of the bash script file. Okay, this is where I save welcome.sh and save it. Just reboot it. Okay, the system will reboot and we have to wait whether it's succeed or not. Okay, it's gonna be a long wait, but just let's see. Okay, log in first using your password. Speed. Okay. Dong dong. Welcome back, Davina. Okay, so we succeed. Okay, it's easy, right? Of course, it's easy. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.